Are you planning a trip to Greece and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Greece in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you are interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Greece is Maya Mobile. If you're after high-speed 5G and great value, Maya's plans are hard to beat. For just $7.19, you get 3 gigabytes for 10 days. If you need more data, there's 5 gigabytes for $8.99, 10 gigabytes for $13.49, or even 20 gigabytes for $18.89. And if you're a heavy user, check out the 40 gigabyte plan for $29.69, or go all out with an unlimited data for just $26.99, all valid for 10 days. These prices already include a 10% discount when you use the link in the description. The activation is instant, everything is 5G ready, and the process is super clean. No app needed, just scan and go. Now, if Maya Mobile doesn't seem like the right fit, or if you prefer longer validity options, then I recommend checking out Airalo. Airalo is known for its flexible plans and smooth app experience. For Greece, they offer 1 gigabyte for $5, that's valid for 7 days, 2 gigabytes for $9, that's valid for 15 days, and 3 gigabytes for $12, and that's valid for 30 days. They also have bigger plans like 5 gigabyte for $15, 10 gigabyte for $25, and 20 gigabytes for $49, all valid for 30 days. The Airalo app is easy to use, and you can top up your data directly from there. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you'll get an automatic 10% discount checkout. Now, let me explain how to get started and claim your discount. If you're going with Maya Mobile, just click the link in the description. It'll take you to the Maya homepage. Type Greece into the search bar and you'll see all the plans listed. Choose the one that fits your trip and you'll see a 10% discount automatically applied during checkout. Once you pay, you'll get a QR code right away. Scan it on your phone and your eSIM will activate instantly. No delays, no extra setup. For Airalo, the steps are similar. Click the link below, search for Greece, and pick your preferred data plan. Once you check out, your 10% discount will be applied and a QR code will be delivered instantly through their app. Just install it, scan the code, and you're online. So, which one should you choose? Maya or Airalo? If you want faster speeds, more data, or short-term unlimited plans, Maya clearly offers better value in Greece. But if you're planning a longer stay and prefer flexibility and an easy app, Airalo is still a solid option. Both links are in the description with discounts already applied. Choose the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Greece in just a few minutes. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.